I've popped round to my good mate Trev's place. It's always exciting to have a look around and see what he's been up to lately. It's interesting as I walk around to see just how many features that I've built over the years. The paving, the deck, the misting system, numerous hose reels. You get the idea, folks. Invariably, I'm drawn to his shed and end up pinching the occasional tool. But today, though, I've come to admire Trev's ever-expanding pot plant collection, and it's great to see how we've become more and more into growing plants in pots, perhaps due to our desire to connect more with nature and certainly enjoy the health benefits like cleaning the air, enhancing the mood. And they give us something just to sit and stare at when we get bored. Maybe a spot of meditation. You see, folks, we're always learning from the nature. We're always learning. One of the biggest mistakes we make with pot plants is overwatering. Check the soil with your finger. If it feels moist, don't water. Growing in a small amount of soil means they need a little extra TLC and important nutrients for good health. And to keep them looking their best, a spray is a quick and easy way to get the job done. I've got a couple of great sprays for you that you spray on the soil, not the foliage, which is really handy for your indoor plants so that you don't get drips all over the floor and the carpet. Very nasty. Now, this is the Seasol spray. It's a great all-round health tonic for all plants, including natives and edibles, that you could use all year round. And it really is simple. Just lift the foliage and spray on the soil, which is what you do with a spray that's designed to be sprayed on the soil. Right, I think I can see another teaching moment. We'll use the PowerFeed on this one. Once again, I've had to come to Trev's rescue with these kumquats that are showing signs of a lack of nutrients. You can see it in the leaves here. They're going all yellow. But Trev's in luck because I've got the PowerFeed pot plant spray from the makers of Seasol. It's got everything these kumquats need. It's got the nutrients, the fish, and the soil conditioner with the liquid compost. Spray it on the soil and let the magic begin. Another important tip with your pot plants is to freshen up the mix with new potting mix, and you should do this once or twice a year in spring and autumn. And the other thing is life's all about give and take, but today it's been about take and give. And I'm going to leave these sprays with Trev. I tell you what, he could use them.